to add the claws or fingers, we will use another tool, insert tool, right over here. Tap on it, and on the left, choose cone, and you should be able to click and drag. And let's match that. See how that looks. I want it to be a little bit longer because once we smooth it, some of the volume, especially the tip, will shrink or even get rounded out. Let's check from the side. From the front view, actually looks good. Maybe just move it to the front a tiny bit. Now we are ready to actually just to clone it. Clone again, move, click on camera, the modeling cam, so we can see how close we are. So as you can see here, and we can adjust it to better match that. We don't need to match it 100%, but it's going to help our sculpt feel more authentic.